Man, if something happened to your house like this, man, you can be crazy, man. You have to destroy your house yourself. That is better. If another people they destroy it, they're gonna put things down. That is very sad. That's why never buy house without good register, man, from government. So maybe later they can give you money back. I don't know. But now what I see, man, is crazy. I know some people they don't sleep. You know. You take credit, man. You take credit, they destroy your house. Man, you don't sleep. Sometimes your wife run away too. Some people they are lucky and other people. They destroy only the start of house, the stays. That's why, man, if you buy house, you have to pay more to buy two houses. Or if you build a house, you have to be able to build two houses. That's a better, man. Look at me there. Look at me there, man. Soon, all house will go down. Look at me this, man. You become crazy. That is sad, that is life, man. What you can do? Yo, I am peace and love.